Hola.
Welcome back. I am Marco.
And I am Sofia. And today we are learning something you will use every single day.
Days of the week, months of the year, and how to make plans in Spanish.
I cannot tell you how many times someone asked me what day works for me, and I went completely blank.
She once agreed to meet someone on a jueves and showed up on a viernes.
I thought jueves was Friday. It is Thursday, one day off.
One very important day off. After today, that will never happen again.
And we are also going to learn how to say what time something is, because knowing the day is only half the plan.
By the end of this episode, you can make a full plan in Spanish. Day, time, place, everything. Let us go. 12 words today. Days, months, and planning expressions. Say every one out loud. Word 1, lunes, Monday. Word 2, martes, Tuesday. Word 3, miércoles, Wednesday. Word 4, jueves, Thursday. Word 5, viernes, Friday. Word 6, sábado, Saturday. Word 7, domingo, Sunday. Word 8, esta semana, this week. Word 9, el fin de semana, the weekend. Word 10, a qué hora, at what time. Word 11, qué día te queda bien, what day works for you. Word 12, me apunto, I'm in, count me in.
The days of the week. Say them with us right now. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo.
Again, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo.
One more time on your own. Go.
And the two most useful planning phrases. ¿Qué día te queda bien? What day works for you? Me apunto. I'm in. Those two phrases let you make plans with anyone in Spanish. Quick thing before the story.
We have a Patreon. Every episode comes with a full written transcript. Every Spanish word written out with the English translation right beside it.
Plus, more episodes every month that we never post on YouTube. Link in the description. Come join us. It is Monday morning. Sofia messages me. She wants to plan a beach trip. Let's listen.
Marco, ¿quieres ir de viaje este fin de semana?
¡Qué padre idea! ¿A dónde? ¿Quieres ir de viaje means, do you want to go on a trip? Este fin de semana means this weekend. ¡Qué padre idea means, what a great idea. ¿A dónde means where to. Notice she used quieres from episode 5. She is recycling her verbs naturally.
No sé todavía, pero ¿qué tal la playa?
Me encanta la playa. ¿Qué día te queda bien? No sé todavía means I don't know yet. ¿Qué tal la playa means what about the beach? Me encanta means I love it. Much stronger than me gusta. Me gusta is I like. Me encanta is I love. And ¿qué día te queda bien means what day works for you. Their first planning phrase.
¿El sábado o el domingo? ¿Qué día te queda mejor?
El sábado me queda mejor. El domingo tengo planes. ¿Qué día te queda mejor means which day works better for you. El sábado me queda mejor means Saturday works better for me. Tengo planes means I have plans. Tengo from episode 5. She's building on every episode.
Perfecto. El sábado entonces. ¿A qué hora salimos?
¿A las 9 de la mañana?
Marco, a las 9 es muy temprano.
Está bien. ¿A las 11 entonces?
Perfecto. El sábado a las 11. Me apunto.
Entonces means then or so. ¿A qué hora salimos means at what time do we leave. Salimos means we leave. A las 9 de la mañana means at 9 in the morning. Temprano means early. A las 11 means at 11. Me apunto means I'm in. A complete plan. Day, time, place, all in Spanish. Now let's do the months quickly. They are very similar to English. Listen and repeat. Enero, January. Febrero, February. Marzo, March. Abril, April. Mayo, May. Junio, June.
They sound almost exactly like English.
Julio, July, agosto, August, septiembre, September, octubre, October, noviembre, November, diciembre, December.
Say them with us. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre.
And just say a date. El 5 de marzo, the 5th of March. El 20 de julio, the 20th of July. El plus the number plus day plus the month. That's it. Let me test you. What day is Monday?
Lunes.
Thursday, the one you confused with Friday.
Jueves. Jueves is Thursday. Viernes is Friday. Never again.
How do you ask what day works for someone?
¿Qué día te queda bien?
How do you say I have plans?
Tengo planes.
How do you say count me in?
Me apunto.
How do you say at what time?
¿A qué hora?
At 9 in the morning.
A las 9 de la mañana.
What is the 5th of March in Spanish?
El 5 de marzo.
Perfect. ¿Qué día te queda bien? Ask someone that this week. In Spanish. Even if they answer in English, you asked in Spanish. That's a win. One more time. Just listen.
Marco, ¿quieres ir de viaje este fin de semana?
¡Qué padre idea! ¿A dónde?
No sé todavía, pero ¿qué tal la playa?
Me encanta la playa. ¿Qué día te queda bien?
¿El sábado o el domingo? ¿Qué día te queda mejor?
El sábado me queda mejor. El domingo tengo planes.
Perfecto. El sábado a las 11. Me apunto.
Days, months, times, plans. All in Spanish.
And it felt like a real conversation, because it was.
See you in the next video.
Hasta luego, everyone.
Hasta luego!